My best wishes to everyone in the country. Merry Christmas to everyone. I want everybody to prosper, stay secular, enjoy the festival, enjoy the holiday. This is the holiday season to be with your family, all your family. As I've said before, in my family we have Hindus, Christians, we have Punjabis, and we have Muslims as well. So we are a secular family, and we follow all festivals. I'm very fortunate that I'm here, and I got prayers was said for me and my family, and also for Priyanka to be in Parliament and make sure we can help our country stay secular and bring up all the issues of the country that are required to be spoken about. So I won't say much about politics, but I will just say that I would really like brotherhood to remain in our country. I would like that we all stay secular and enjoy all the festivals together. And this is most important message for me, for the country, for the people of the country. Merry Christmas to everyone, and enjoy the holidays.
Sir, Prime Minister attacked him, took a swipe at him. He said that they destroy the cribs, though they revere cribs, and on the other hand they destroy the cribs. How do you see his remarks?
I see people in the country are very troubled because if you're going to be told not to be able to believe in their own religions and their faiths, you don't respect that. This kind of instability, this kind of anger will be seen in the country. When people have troubles in their homes and people are, they want to pray. They don't think about any ministers. They don't think about any politicians. They think about their gods. And they'll go to their faiths and believe what have happened, what they believed in their country, in their own homes, what they've been taught. And they'll go to say a prayer because they feel that, once they say their prayer, at least their troubles will subside. It's not that it'll go away, but they believe in their God. They'll say a prayer. They'll hope that their troubles subside. But at that time, they won't find a politician there. And then what we learn and see, the BJP is creating a lot of divide. That's what we do not want in our country. We should stay secular. And only then we'll see peace and harmony in our country.
Sir, we are seeing, there was reports that whether AAP and Congress will contest together, but now they are releasing different candidates, different lists are being released. What do you think is going to happen in upcoming elections?
See, my thing is that, as I said, in a place where you worship and pray, and a day of, for everybody to enjoy the holidays and stay secular. That's my message. I hope for the people and for the capital to have a better life because of the pollutions and so on. That is, the government has to look for a solution for all the pollution that is going on, because that's our main issue for the next generation that is going to be coming on, and even all the elderly, for that, and also all the poor people and poor children and who are on the road. The government has to look at trying to educate them, find shelters for them, and what the people will want will be seen in the elections ahead. But I think with Priyanka in politics and Rahul's, all the energy he has and what they've learned from their generations, that they will make a lot of difference for the people in our capital and overall in the country. So I do hope that the people vote sensibly and, for a party that can do well for them. And, it's unconditional, the effort that they do. And they think in a secular way. That's most important. And for the betterment of the people of the national capital.
So my last question is about the minorities condition in our neighboring countries, and what do you want to do for the minorities in our country as well?
I always think that we should be secular, firstly, and definitely the divide is coming around because the BJP has a mindset to bring their own one religion ahead, which I think is incorrect. As I said before, when people are in trouble, they want to pray, and they hope that with their prayers that their problems will subside. at that time they don't think of any politician or anything, and I think that we should just try and stay secular and we should all be united. Only then we can progress. Whenever we divide, all the neighboring countries will definitely see, there'll be disharmony in our country. Whenever we see that we divide, the other countries will take advantage of that. Yes, I know in Bangladesh as well, we can see that a lot of disharmony is happening. But we have to first also look into Manipur, that the BJP it's a ruling state by the BJP, that the BJP ministers and also especially the women ministers must go to Manipur and look at what's happening, with the women out there. Make sure the women are safe. Make sure that state is progressing, and there's some kind of. They have to be heard. The people have to be heard. May it be the farmers, may it be the people. They have to be heard. Once you hear the people, you can, above party lines, you can come together and see the progress and unity of our country.